Although is for concession or contrast. Now, although it is an old car, it doesn't need much repair. Although जबकि ये पुरानी कार है पर इसको ज़्यादा रिपेयर की ज़रूरत नहीं है. An old car should need regular repair, but this one doesn't. Contrast है इसमें कि although it is an old car, it doesn't need. Although मतलब old car को रिपेयर की ज़रूरत होती है रेगुलर, but it doesn't. This one doesn't. That is contrast. The teacher didn't give me full marks even though there was no mistake in my answer. There was no mistake, but the teacher didn't give full marks. That is also contrast. You wanted full marks because you didn't have any mistake, but the teacher didn't give. So that is also a contrast. I won't accept this job even if they offer double the salary. This also, the salary might be double हो जाए चाहे salary, पर मैं फिर भी इस job को नहीं लूँगा. That is also a contrast. We use दो type conjunctions to suggest contrast. हम दो type conjunction although we use when, even though, even these type of conjunctions when we have contrast. Now we have already read some other conjunctions that suggest contrast. But it was raining, but we went outside. Yet, still, nevertheless, however, etc. Coordinating and subordinating conjunctions also we have read. So, if shows condition. Look at these examples. If the headlights of a car are weak, there may be an accident. For example, if you don't study, you may not pass. So that is also if. If suggests the condition under which an accident may occur. If the child is not vaccinated, it might catch a serious infection. If suggests the condition under which the child might catch a serious infection. As I have told you, if you don't study, you will not get good marks, or if you don't study, you may not pass. So we use if type conjunctions to suggest condition. We have already read some if type in class 6, chapter 6 conditionals. Join these sentences using the conjunctions given in the brackets. Get your seats reserved in advance, only then your journey can be comfortable. Only if. Your journey can be comfortable only if you get. तुम्हारी जर्नी कंफर्टेबल जब भी होगी अगर तुम सीट्स रिजर्व कर दोगे. He was my childhood friend, he deceived me. Although he was my childhood friend, he deceived. This is contrast कि वो मेरा बचपन का दोस्त था फिर भी उसने मुझे डिसीव किया. तो दिस इज द एक्सरसाइज. यू विल डू इट योरसेल्फ एंड देन आफ्टर दैट tomorrow I'll send you the solutions, but you have to do it yourself, otherwise you won't be able to learn anything. Now exercise 6, complete the sentence with ideas of your own. You have to give your own ideas. For example, milk turned sour although, कि milk खट्टा हो गया although. So you have to write your own suggestions in these exercises. Now when, where, as, these are time. When tell about time, where tells about place, and as manner. As soon as the bell rang, the children rushed out. When the children rushed out, when did the children rush out? As soon as the bell rang. Time, it tells the time. जैसे ही घंटी बजी बच्चे अंदर चले गए, बाहर आ गए. The driver lost control when he was taking a right turn. When did the driver lose control? जब वो right turn ले रहा है. It was the time that when he was taking a right turn, the driver lost control. So it is telling the time. Your bag should be lying where you left it. तुम्हारा बैग वहीं पड़ा होगा जहाँ पे तुमने छोड़ा था. So where should the bag be lying? Where you left it. It is telling about the place. Where tells up the place. A sincere person creates goodwill wherever he goes. कहीं जहाँ भी वो जाता है. Where does a sincere person create goodwill? Wherever he goes. Place. Sincere जो है वो गुडविल अपनी बना ही लेता जहाँ भी जाता है. We acted as we had been directed. हमने किस मैनर में, जैसे हमें बताया गया था ऐसे ही हमने एक्ट किया. That is the manner. It doesn't tell the time, it doesn't tell the place. It is telling the manner, how, कैसे. हमने ऐसे ही किया जैसे हमें बताया गया था. He behaved as if he were worried for us. उसने ऐसा बर्ताव किया, ऐसा बिहेव किया जैसे उसको हमारी बहुत चिंता हो. How, in what manner did he behave? As if he were worried for us. हमारे लिए चिंतित था. That is the manner. कैसे उसने behave किया. Now we have to join the sentences using conjunctions given in the brackets. I pressed the button. मैंने बटन को प्रेस किया. Water gushed out of the tap. You can see if the conjunction comes in the middle or before this or after this, you'll have to see the sentence. In this, as soon as जैसे ही मैंने प्रेस किया बटन, water gushed out of the tap. In the between this, you have to put a comma and don't put a full stop and this capital letter. Okay, when you are joining a sentence, this becomes one sentence. So in the which the full stop should be omitted. Don't put the full stop in between. So these you have to do it yourself. The light turned red. We had slowed down before that. Before. So you have to use this and join these 8 sentences. Okay, then that, if, whether. Now he told me that he liked the new English teacher. उसने मुझे बताया कि वो उसे English teacher को he liked. He asked me if whether I liked the new English teacher. He asked me कि whether I liked, क्या मैं उसको नई टीचर को like किया मैंने. He said that she was quite interested in the proposal. She wondered if Sumit should be interested in the proposal. So fill in the blanks with appropriate conjunctions. In certain cases, more than one choice is possible. If can also come, whether can also come. So just go through these sentences. You have to read them carefully. What sense they make, then you will put the conjunctions for in them. Now rewrite these sentences using the conjunctions given in brackets. You have to use the conjunctions, those are given in the brackets. 3 coaches got derailed but nobody was injured. ये देखो कंट्रास्ट आ गया कि 3 कोचेस जो थी वो पटरी से उतर गई थी. 3 जो कोच थी ट्रेन की, पर कोई भी घायल नहीं हुआ. सो ऑल दो 3 कोचेस गॉट derailed, जबकि 3 कोचेस पटरी से उतर गई. nobody was injured. बट हट गया. nobody was injured. Okay, this lock will open only if you use a code number. So you have to use these conjunctions and join the sentences. Beta, do the sentences and don't wait for my solutions. First you do. When you are telling the exercises, then you will understand what was wrong in your understanding, or how should it have been, and you have done. So that makes a lot of difference, and you will be able to, everything will be clear if you do it first by yourself, then tally the exercises with my solutions. Okay.